Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths by Poonam Shukla. After completing lines and angles, I have come here with the topic triangle. So in this chapter, you will learn about the fundamental concept of geometry known as congruence. The meaning of congruence in maths is when two figures are similar to each other based on their size and shape. So here we go with the definition of congruence of triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if all three corresponding sides are equal and all the three corresponding angles are equal in measure. That means if we have two triangles A, B, C and here X, Y, Z, right? So corresponding sides are this AB, corresponding side of AB is XY in another triangle. Corresponding side of BC is XYZ in another triangle, and corresponding side of AC is XZ in another triangle, right? So, and these are the corresponding angles. This, and this are corresponding. This and this are corresponding, right? So that means the corresponding sides and angles. So when these are equal, then we can say two triangles are congruent. So here we have four congruency rules also, which we will learn in another slides. So these triangles can be rotated, flipped, and turned to be looked identical. If repositioned, they coincide with each other, right? The symbol of congruence is this. You can write in that form two equal sign and one this sign, right? So this is the symbol of congruence. If we have to write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ, you can write in that way. Congruent triangle ABC, congruent this sign, and then triangle XYZ. Here another term we will learn about, that is CPCT. CPCT is the term we come across when we learn about the congruent triangle. CPCT means corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So as we know that the corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal, that we have to learn, and we will use this term in the form of abbreviation throughout the exercise when we will solve the problems related to it. So we'll go for the rules. So here SSS means side, side, and side. All three corresponding sides of two triangles are equivalent, then triangles are said to be congruent. So here we can see two triangles ABC and PQR, and PQR is little rotated, but still if sides are equal, then we can say these two triangles will be congruent to each other. So here AB is equal to PQ and AC equals to PR and BC equals to QR. So that means these two triangles are congruent. So if you see in any of the problem that three sides are equal and you have to prove that these two triangles are congruent, so you can prove by using rule SSS. SAS, another congruency rule, side angle side. If two sides and an interior angle of a triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and an interior angle of the other triangle, then both triangles are said to be congruent. So means one interior angle and two sides, right? Corresponding sides are equal in both the triangles. That means these two are the congruence of triangles, right? Next rule is ASA, angle, side, angle. So if two angles and included side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and included side of another angle, then the triangles are congruent. Included side means which side is including in both the angles. This one, right? Angle B and angle C. So BC is included in both. Here, which side? Angle R and angle Q. So in this QR is the side which is included. So these three should be equal to each other in both the triangles. Then we can say these two triangles are congruent. Now last fourth rule. Fourth rule says RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side. if in two right angle triangle the hypotenuse and any one side of a triangle are equivalent to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then both triangles are said to be congruent. So here XYZ is one triangle and PQR is another triangle, right? So here we can see this angle, right angle, is always equal in any shape or any size and shape that we know. So right angle means this angle is 90 degree of 90 degree, right? And here hypotenuse is also equal, we can see, and then one side YZ and QR both are equal, so we can say these two right angle triangle are congruent, right? So these are the 4 rules which we have learned in this video, and in next video we will learn some related problems. Till then, stay tuned for new uploads, and till then, bye bye, take care.